to like, share, and subscribe. Hello and welcome, lovely viewers. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of rustic winter decor. Let's explore effortless yet captivating ideas that embrace the coziness of winter without overwhelming your space. An incredible wintry gallery wall. Curate an epic gallery wall featuring wintry scenes, vintage skis, and cozy cabin artwork for a captivating focal point. Pine cones painting. Craft stunning art pieces using pine cones, arranging them creatively on canvas or as tabletop displays for a nature-inspired touch. Greenery and lanterns. Adorn your space with lanterns filled with flickering candles and accents of fresh greenery for a rustic yet enchanting ambiance. Cinnamon sticks, linen, and pine combine the fragrant allure of cinnamon sticks, linen textiles, and pine accents for a sensory-rich winter decor experience. The cozy gray winter living room. Embrace a cozy gray color scheme for your living room, adding plush textures and winter-inspired decor for a snug retreat. Vintage wooden signs. Incorporate rustic wooden signs with wintry quotes or seasonal greetings for a touch of nostalgia and charm. Enhance your dining area with burlap and lace table runners, imparting a rustic elegance to your tablescape. Is the statement made by burlap and lace table runners. The snowy pine cone centerpieces. Craft centerpiece arrangements using snowy pine cones, mixing them with candles or fairy lights for a magical table setting. Frosted window panes. Create the illusion of frosted window panes with DIY techniques, adding a wintry allure to your home's interior. Woodland creatures as accents. Introduce woodland creature, accents like deer figurines or owl motifs, to infuse your space with a whimsical woodland vibe. Rustic materials and natural greenery wreaths. To add an earthy touch, begin by incorporating wreaths made of natural greenery adorned with rustic elements such as twine and pine cones. Pine cones, mason jar candle holders. By adding pine cones to regular mason jars, you can turn them into charming candle holders that will add a cozy glow to your room. Beautiful greens on a chandelier. Make a dramatic focal point by adding a touch of elegance to your chandelier. Hang cozy garland around your home for texture and a touch of winter magic. Is the recommendation for hanging cozy garland. Simple small rosemary wreaths. Use rosemary to create a visually appealing and fragrant decor accent in these simple yet charming mini wreaths. Cozy chunky throws. Layer your space with chunky throws, inviting warmth and comfort wherever they lie. Bask it with greenery, birch logs, and blankets. For that rustic charm, create an inviting basket arrangement filled with greenery, birch logs, and a cozy blanket. Cable knits and faux fur accents. To create a warm and welcoming ambience, incorporate cabled knit textiles and faux fur accents into your decor. Huge wooden snowflakes. As a captivating winter statement piece, hang giant wooden snowflakes to add charm to any wall. Rustic fireplace delight. Transform your fireplace into a rustic haven with skis, birch, and an array of candles for that warm, inviting glow. And there you have it, folks! 10 effortlessly charming rustic winter decor ideas to keep the magic of the season alive in your home. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your favorite decor idea in the comments below. Stay tuned for more delightful home inspiration, and until next time, stay cozy.